Welcome food lovers to your very own SOHINI's kitchen. Today I'm here with a very tasty tea time snack recipe. We usually buy these from the store, but you can easily make them at home and store them and have them as your tea time snack. So let's take a look at the recipe. If needed, add more water, but do not add too much water as the batter should be sticky and not flowy. Do make sure that the oil is very hot before you start frying the peanuts. Fry on high for 1 to 2 minutes and then lower the flame to medium and fry until the peanuts are golden brown in color. Alternatively, you can also bake the peanuts at 200 degrees Celsius for about 15 to 20 minutes or until they are golden brown in color. The peanuts are crunchy as ever, and now a final step to make the peanuts even more tastier, the spice mix. The spice mix is now ready. You can adjust the spices as per your spice level preference. This is how I like the masala peanuts, so I added some more spice to it. You can store these masala peanuts in an airtight container for up to 2 to 3 weeks. If you like this recipe, do give it a try and let me know how it turns out. Please use the comment section for any feedback or any suggestion for a future recipe or any questions regarding this recipe. I would love to read your comments. Thanks for watching. See you next week then with another exciting recipe. Till then, enjoy these masala peanuts with your family and friends.